Yo, what's up, everyone? It's Team Adventurous. And yo, we got to make you guys aware of this weird series that's going down on YouTube right now. There's this channel, Kane Pixels, right here. And it's getting weird. The series is called the Backrooms. And yeah, let's just get into it.
Yeah.
Subject is male, somewhere between 18 and 21 years old. I estimate that the time of death was around 5 days ago, but due to the severe tissue damage, it's hard to say for sure.
What the fuck?
It looks like a man that is made out of cheese.
That is likely most of the digestive tract.
Damn. That looks like if someone took a clay statue and like ate it and shit it out, then beat it with a hammer. That dude has seen better days.
It'd be like
The other day.
it'd be like, this is an art project that they do at the sanitarium where they taught them how to make cheese, but then this guy decided that he wanted to make a person out of the cheese.
And so apparently he modeled it after, quote, the man in his head.
Yes.
Considered to be natural, the decomposition process appears to have been stunted somehow. It's like portions of the body stopped decaying and were sustained. Other areas, however, were completely overtaken by culture. So I took samples of some material here.
Fuck, dude.
At first, I thought it was an aggregated collection of Pseudomonas fluorescens, but it seems to be closer to a mutated strain of simple Hay bacillus, which it should be completely benign, but well.
Oh, well, that's, come on, man.
Oh no. Oh no.
That makes me think of that dude that got lost in there. I think this is that dude that got lost in there in the first episode.
Mm-hmm.
We have to do a watch party for this.
Yeah.
This whole thing is definitely.
Subject is male, somewhere between 18 and 21 years old. I estimate that the time of death was around 5 days ago, but it should be completely benign, but well, really, I don't know what to make of this. Mr. Beck, may I ask where this subject came from?
I'm so unsettled right now.
I'm intrigued.
Yeah, my interest is piqued, not gonna lie.
I am intrigued because it could just be a great big conglomerate of nonsensical fuckery.
Okay, that's where we're gonna cut it off. if that
Yeah.
disturbed you as much as it tends to disturb me when he's doing this fuckery, you know, just hit that sub button, hit the bell. We're gonna do a watch party for the entire series at some point. Again, the channel is Kane Pixels. It's
Check it out.
the Backrooms series. It's fucking weird, man. Fucking weird. Don't blame me if like some Bloody Mary shit happens to you and like you go outside and your dog is dead and the next day some monster comes out of the closet and eats you or something. You like watched it like at midnight on the 7th day of
Or you
whatever
get
calendar.
inducted to a cult that makes people out of cheese.
All hail the fondue god. That's all. I'm saying.